receiving the gift from Xpert Kitchen Appliances, we visited their showroom, and overall it was an amazing experience. हमें गिफ्ट मिलने के बाद हम उनके एक्सपर्ट किचन अप्लायंसेस के उनके शोरूम गए थे और ओवरऑल उनकी बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें हैं. अब लेट्स गो इनसाइड. अब हम अंदर चलते हैं. As you can see on the right, there are a lot different kinds of stoves and hoods. जैसा आप देख सकते हैं right तरफ बहुत सारे stoves और hoods हैं और ये सारे different types हैं, and they're all different types, and you know there are 2 burners, 3 burners, 5 burners, etc. and in different colors as well. You have silver, black, and then let's move ahead. अब हम आगे चलते हैं. Right. Ahead, as you can see, there are, again on the right, you can see there's a stove, oven, hood, and microwave, and it's like a complete set. जैसा देख सकते हैं stove, oven, hood और microwave है, जैसे पूरा complete set की तरह. और आगे ovens और microwaves थी, and ahead you can see ovens and microwaves as well, and they're different kinds, or sorry, different kinds के. And over here there are more hoods and microwave and stoves. There are hoods or stove है. और जैसे मैंने बोला था, there's 3 burners भी है, 5 burners, 2 burners, or there's sinks भी है, and there are also different kinds of sinks. And okay, now let's move ahead. आगे चलते हैं. Okay, so then over here, 2 burners and 1 burner. There 1 burner wala stove bhi hai, or 2 burners, or okay, so let's go ahead. So over here, like you can see, there are more stoves and more hoods. They have a great variety to choose from. इनके पास बहुत बड़ी variety है जो आप choose कर सकते हैं इनसे. And then, as you can see on the left, there are different types of taps that you can buy separately as well.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस एक्सपर्ट बनाए आपको एक्सपर्ट.
हमने ये सारी चीज़ें सिर्फ एक चीज़ से बनाई है. We made all of these things using only one appliance, and that is Xpert's microwave, and they gave amazing results, and you should go check them out.
Buy Xpert, become Xpert.
You want to become a chef? Go to Xpert right now and get your favorite appliance.